Hello everyone. So, the difference between Power BI Desktop and Service. Power BI Desktop. Purpose: Power BI Desktop is a free application that allows users to create interactive reports and data visualizations locally on their desktop or laptop. Functionality: it provides powerful data modeling capabilities, allowing users to connect to various data sources, transform and clean data, create relationships between data sets, and design visually appealing reports using a drag-and-drop interface. Features: Power BI Desktop includes a wide range of features such as data shaping and modeling, custom calculations using DAX, data analysis expressions, advanced visualizations, and report formatting options. Usage: it is typically used by data analysts, business intelligence professionals, and report authors to develop and prototype reports before publishing them to Power BI Service. Power BI Service, formerly known as Power BI Online or Power BI Cloud. Purpose: Power BI Service is a cloud-based platform provided by Microsoft for sharing, collaborating on, and consuming Power BI reports and dashboards. Functionality: it allows users to publish reports created in Power BI Desktop to the cloud, where they can be accessed by others with appropriate permissions. In addition to viewing reports, users can interact with them, create dashboards, share insights, set up data alerts, and schedule data refreshes. Features: Power BI Service offers features for managing permissions and security, creating and sharing dashboards, setting up data alerts, scheduling data refreshes, and collaborating with team members. It also provides usage metrics and analytics to track report performance and user engagement. Usage: it is used by a wide range of users including business stakeholders, decision makers, and anyone who needs access to data insights and analytics from anywhere with an internet connection. Then next, advantages and disadvantages of Power BI Desktop and Service. Power BI Desktop. Advantages: robust data modeling. Power BI Desktop offers powerful data modeling capabilities, allowing users to connect to various data sources, perform complex transformations, and create relationships between different data sets. Advanced visualizations: users can create highly customized and interactive visualizations using a wide range of chart types, formatting options, and custom visuals available in Power BI Desktop. Offline access: since Power BI Desktop is a desktop application, users can work on their reports and visualizations offline, without requiring an internet connection. Prototype and iterate: it enables users to quickly prototype and iterate on their reports and dashboards locally before publishing them to Power BI Service. Disadvantages: limited sharing and collaboration. Power BI Desktop is primarily designed for individual report authoring and lacks robust sharing and collaboration features compared to Power BI Service. Manual refresh: users need to manually refresh their datasets in Power BI Desktop, which can be cumbersome for reports that require frequent data updates. Power BI Service. Advantages: cloud-based platform. Power BI service is a cloud-based platform, allowing users to access their reports and dashboards from anywhere with an internet connection. Sharing and collaboration. It offers robust sharing and collaboration features, allowing users to securely share reports and dashboards with colleagues, partners, and clients. Users can also collaborate in real time and provide feedback on reports. Scheduled data refresh. Power BI service supports scheduled data refresh, ensuring that reports and dashboards always reflect the latest data from the underlying data sources. Data security and compliance. It provides advanced data security features such as row-level security and encryption, helping organizations ensure data privacy and compliance with regulatory requirements. Disadvantages: internet dependency. Power BI service requires an internet connection to access reports and dashboards, which can be a limitation in environments with limited or unreliable internet connectivity. Limited offline access. While Power BI service offers some offline capabilities through Power BI mobile apps, users cannot access all features and functionalities offline. Cost. While Power BI Desktop is free to use, Power BI service requires a subscription, which can be a disadvantage for organizations with budget constraints or smaller teams. In summary, Power BI Desktop is ideal for individual report authoring and data modeling, while Power BI Service offers advanced sharing, collaboration, and cloud-based features for accessing, sharing, and managing reports and dashboards across organizations. The choice between the two depends on the specific needs and requirements of the users and organizations. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more tech videos.